Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to add your video inside your HTML web page. In order to do that, I have created an boilerplate of my HTML page, and here I have downloaded a video regarding skateboarding inside the park, and now I'm gonna embed it inside my HTML page. Now we're coming inside the body section, and for this we're gonna use the video tag. Video tag, tab key, and from us wants the source of the video. Because our video is at the root source of our project, simply we're gonna put dot slash and then appears our video with the extension MP4. Selecting this, and we are saving the page, and as you can see the video is massive. Now I'm gonna use an attribute of width, and I'm gonna reduce the size of this video. Coming inside my video tag, and once again we are using the width attribute, and we're gonna put the value of 500. Saving once again. As you can see now the video is reduced the size. I'm gonna increase it a little bit. 800, is it okay? Yeah, it's much better. Saving once again, we're coming inside our HTML page, and now as you can see we cannot select the video, we cannot click it, or we cannot play it. Why this occurs? Because we don't put the attribute of controls. Let's put it, inserted this, saving once again. As you can see inside the video the controls section has appeared. We have the play button, we have the audio, and we have the full size icon. Let's press the play button, and as you can see our video play very smoothly. Let's wait until it ends, and 5 seconds finished and our video has stopped. How we can make this video loop over and over without any interruption? We're coming inside our video tag, and next to controls I'm leaving a space, and I'm gonna put the attribute of loop. Saving once again, and let's come inside the video and press the play button and leave it and see what happens. The 5 seconds will end and the video starts all over again until we press the pause button. So how we can make the video to be muted as soon as it starts? We're coming inside the video tag, and we are using the attribute obviously mute. Pressing save. As you can see the video is from the beginning muted. We are pressing play button and it starts all over again. But if we don't want this control to appear inside the video and it's looped, we're coming here inside the video tag and we are deleting the attribute control. Pressing save, but nothing's happened. Why? Because we have to put this time the attribute of autoplay. Autoplay, saving, we have deleted the loop attribute, it finishes and stops. Let's insert also the loop attribute and put it, say it once again. We don't have controls, we cannot select anything, but the video starts automatically, and as soon the 5 seconds end, the video loops over and over. What else we can do with this? Okay, we are deleting this source from this video tag, pressing save. We cannot show anything. Let's embed the source inside the video tag. We're coming inside the video tag. Between the tags of video of opening and closing, we're just simply putting the tag of source. Once a source from us, I'm gonna put the video which is inside our root. I'm gonna insert the controls inside the video tag, controls, and the width I'm gonna reduce it to 800 once again. And in case of the browser is not supporting the extension of MP4 or something else, you can put as many sources as you want inside this video tag and make the browser, the related browser, to play any kind of video that you want. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.